right, guys, a couple of tips I want to leave you with today before you keep going with your Illustrator, especially the pen tool, is when you're working, obviously if you click, you're going to get a straight line, for example. And then if you come over here and you click and hold, you can actually drag out a curve. Problem comes with the next one. What happens if you want that to be a straight line? Of course, you can come back in here later and you can convert that. But in this case, actually, it's really easy. You can come in and click back on your anchor point. You will get rid of half of that handle and be able to continue a straight line. So that is a really important tip. And once again, if you go ahead and you click and you hold, you can drag out per curve. When you go to the next one, what happens if you don't want a curve? You can come in here, you can click right back on your anchor point. Make sure it's your anchor point, not a handle. It'll get rid of it from that side so you can actually go ahead and continue working on that straight line, for example. Okay? So that's a really, really important one. Additionally, again, I just kind of backed out of all of that. If we hold the Shift key, we can get some straight lines in there. Shift key and you drag that out, you can get some nice straight lines in there. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then the last one, if we're going to split this half, what you can do is you can hold the Alt key and you can change the direction of your next curve. So if you didn't want this to come, like if you didn't want it to come all the way out here where it was originally, you wanted to be able to pull that outward, you can go ahead and hold that Alt key while dragging the handle, and it's going to give you another curve option over it. Let's say I want to go ahead and continue this one straight up there. I can do that. I get that nice corner. But again, that last one, when I'm going to a curve, I can hold the Alt key to change the direction of that next curve. I kind of just held the Alt key, dragged it where I needed it, and then I can continue on my way getting rid. Let's say I got rid of that one by clicking on it and then finishing that up, for example. Okay? So again, those are 3 tips for you. The one with the Shift key, I don't use too much, but you might find it really helpful. The second one allows you to go from a curve to a straight path using your pen tool, and that's by clicking on your anchor point to remove. And the last one is going from curve to another type of a curve or another angle of curve. That's using the Alt key on your keyboard and moving those handles. And those are those 3 for today.